fucking trip this has been. Holy shit. 4 hours of sleep. The last handful of nights. I'm about done.
I just survived a near-death experience.
Me too.
It's only sketchy on D-cell. Like the pole seemed fine. It's when you let off the gas and it shifts
when it went
to the front.
Yeah, when it went to third, it was like, okay, now it's kind of starting to do this a little bit. And then, when we lifted, it was like, okay.
The rear was like, I want to be in front now.
Yeah. Why am I back here?
Yeah.
It seemed like it, I don't know if it spun at all. I don't know.
It seems like it did pretty damn good, honestly. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's holding boost perfect. Okay, here hitting 137 kPa, so look 4.5. Maybe 5. Probably 5. Probably closer to 5.
Well, we didn't. You're right. I didn't need to put the fucking 6-ton spring in.
No, you don't need a boost controller either. Imagine this thing if you would have got 700 horsepower out of it. You would have actually died.
12.8 at 92 miles an hour.